Beekman 1802 is a skincare company founded on kindness that feeds your skin's microbiome through the power of goat milk.
Each year, holiday represents a huge portion of our sales. We do a big gifting business, so we have to make sure that we're super strategic and focusing on that as our key selling season. Overall, Q4 makes up over 40% of our annual sales.
Google worked specifically with us to create smart shopping campaigns, and we saw a 181% return on ad spend. It really did help drive our strategy. Since pushing our first search campaigns live in 2019, we've seen tremendous results.
And what using the Google tools allows us to do is to funnel all of these potential customers directly to our site during the holiday season.
There's a lot of key moments in the Beekman marketing calendar.
But World Kindness Day is like our version of Black Friday and Cyber Monday rolled into one. So we get to spread the message of how important kindness is, particularly in the holiday season.
Based on the success we've had with Google, that's where we're going to have the biggest growth in our investment, and we look forward to doing that even more next year.
Holiday has always been very important to us, and that's really helped us grow our business and help spread the importance of kindness throughout the world.